Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to program a 2017 Nissan Titan key fob. Start by sitting inside the truck with all doors closed and the hood down. Insert an existing programmed key into the ignition and remove it twice quickly to enter programming mode. If you have no working key, contact a dealer for a transponder solution. Stay calm and follow the button presses and timing carefully to sync each additional key fob. Next, I will guide you through the exact button presses to register a new fob. With doors closed and ignition off, insert and remove a programmed key twice to start programming mode. When the horn chirps, press any button on the new key fob within 5 seconds to pair it. Repeat for additional fobs, then cycle ignition to verify confirmation chirps or locks. If programming fails, retry steps calmly once more. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long garage fixes and test drives, and it fits most cup holders. It keeps water cold and is easy to carry whether you are under the hood or on the road. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If you run into trouble, I will help you troubleshoot common issues. Start by replacing the key fob battery and repeating the programming sequence exactly as instructed. Move away from other electronics and metal surfaces that can interfere with the signal. If the vehicle still will not accept the fob, confirm whether your Titan requires dealer-only programming or a clone transponder, and consider contacting a locksmith or dealer for advanced support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.